If you want to remove underlining in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it on Windows, and it only takes a few seconds. Whether you accidentally underline some text, want to clean up a document, or simply need to turn off formatting, Word gives you an easy way to toggle underline on and off. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. First, open your Microsoft Word document and highlight the text that has the underline you want to remove. This is important because Word only changes the formatting for the selected text. If you want to remove underline from just one word, drag across that word. If you want to remove it from a full sentence or paragraph, select the full section before continuing. Now press Ctrl U on your keyboard if you are using Windows. This is the fastest shortcut for underline in Microsoft Word, and pressing it again will toggle the underline off. So if the text is currently underlined, Ctrl U removes it immediately. If the text was not underlined, the same shortcut would turn underline on instead. That is why this shortcut is such a simple toggle. If you prefer using the ribbon instead of the keyboard, look at the Home tab at the top of Word. In the font section, find the underline icon, which usually looks like a letter U with a line underneath it. Click the small arrow next to it if you want more underline options, and choose None to remove the underline formatting completely. You can also just select the underline text and click the underline button itself to turn it off. This second method is especially useful if you are editing a document and want to make sure you are only changing the formatting from the toolbar. It is also helpful if you are not comfortable using keyboard shortcuts, or if you are working on a laptop without a dedicated function setup. If the underline does not seem to disappear right away, make sure the correct text is still selected before clicking the button or using the shortcut. Sometimes the formatting is applied to more than one section, so you may need to highlight the full area again and repeat the step. Once you do that, the underline should be removed instantly, and that is all there is to it. You can remove underline in Microsoft Word either by pressing Ctrl U on Windows, or by using the underline icon in the Home tab and choosing None, or simply toggling it off. It is fast, easy, and perfect for cleaning up your document formatting in just a moment. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and let me know in the comments what other Word features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.